Hi, good morning. Today we will be learning about the working of a pulley-based continuously variable transmission system, CVT. So this is a automatic transmission system used. As you all know, the purpose of the transmission is to change the speed ratio between the engine and the wheels. So we'll be explaining it with the help of an animation over here. Let's see the animation. Okay, I think you have seen the animation. Now we'll explain the animation, how actually it is working. So we have two sets of pulleys over here. One is the drive shaft connected towards the pulley. This is the driving pulley, and we have another set over here. This is the driven shaft which is connected towards this pulley. So this is the driven pulley, and we have a belt in between connecting them. So that's the main components. And now we can see here these pulleys have been moved away from each other, and here these two pulleys are moved together towards each other. This figure we can see the drive pulleys have moved towards each other and the driven pulleys have moved away from each other. So this is actually resulting in various amount of gear ratios. That means infinite amount of gear ratios have been produced in this pulley based transmission or CVT. As a result, these pulleys move away from each other. So the pitch radius, you can see this red line. This is showing the pitch radius. That's the distance from the center of the pulley towards the outer circle. Here the pitch radius is less because the center of the pulley towards the outer circle. Here the belt which is engaged is very less because the pulleys have moved away from each other, and here the pitch radius is high because the pulleys have moved together to each other. And here it's in the opposite side. Here the pitch radius is high because the pulleys have moved towards each other, and here they have moved away from each other. So this system is showing a low gear. This shaft is connected towards the crankshaft, and this particular pulley is getting the drive from the engine, and this drive is getting transmitted towards the driven pulley and through this shaft towards the transmission. So this is how this is working. So this is on a low gear because we can see the pitch radius of the driving pulley is minimum and the pitch radius of the driven pulley is high. So that means this is working on a low gear or higher torque and lesser speed. That means for a manual transmission we can say this is like in first gear, not exactly in first gear in CVT, but almost like the same is what's happening over here. So this system is on a high gear because the driving shaft or the driving pulley is the pitch radius is at its maximum, and at the driven pulley the pitch radius is minimum because the driven pulleys have moved away from each other. So this is on a high gear, like in a fifth gear system. In a manual transmission this is working on the fifth gear, so this is on maximum speed and minimum of the torque. So this is how a pulley based continuously variable transmission system is working, which is capable of delivering infinite number of gear ratios as this pitch radius changes, as these pulleys move apart and come together as a result of the working. The hydraulic pressure, centrifugal force, or the spring tension is helping these pulleys to move towards each other or away from each other. So let's see the animation once more. So I believe you got an idea about the working of a pulley-based continuously variable transmission system. For more theory and photographs, you can visit my blog over here, and or else you can visit my YouTube channel for more automobile related videos. Thanks for watching.